a very interesting one. SUI, Startup India, Stand Up India beneficiary. Today's beneficiary is Mrs. Parimala, a dynamic entrepreneur from Guntur. She is a commerce graduate. She is the managing director of Fortune Home Care Industries. In her industry, she manufactures phenyls, dishwasher liquids, bleaching powders, and all types of floor cleaning liquids. Hers is a phenomenal journey as an entrepreneur. Trained in making home care products from Janashikshana Samstha, Vijayawada in the year 1996. In 2000, she started as a tiny unit from home with phenyl as the only product. She supplied to all the hospitals and malls in Guntur. In 2009, she started production of other types of cleaning products with a restricted budget. Without any publicity, she could achieve good turnover within a short period of time. In 2015, with the support of her husband, she started statewide marketing, which resulted in a positive way. She ran Post to Pillow for financial support from the banks for 2 years. During the EDP program, MSME Director Mr. Sudhir recognized the efforts and talent of Mrs. Parimala and encouraged her to apply for Stand Up India loan through State Bank of India. Finally, in 2017, she could get a bank loan, and since then, there is no looking back for her. Her products are ISO certified. She is making her products under the brand name Active. She provides employment to 15 people directly and 50 people indirectly. With this awe-inspiring intro, I invite Mrs. Parimala to talk about her entrepreneurial journey with respect to Stand Up India scheme. Parimala garu.
And there's an introduction video for her.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Greetings to all. It's a pleasure to be here. Ma'am, I'm Parimala Gadpudi, born and brought up in Guntur. I am very interested in summer trainings, vocational trainings and sports. Summer training, summer vacation में जो trainings देते हैं sports के लिए और कुछ इंडस्ट्रियल स्टार्टअप्स के लिए गवर्नमेंट कुछ समर ट्रेनिंग्स लगाते हैं ना, उसमें थोड़ा मैं वेरी इंटरेस्टेड हूँ. So in 1996, all of my friends and neighbor children joined in a training center, Janashikshana Samstha, Vijayawada, Autonagar. My neighbors joined in for soft toys making. I mean, soft toys. So फर क्लॉथ से जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग होता है, मेकिंग होता है, सॉफ्ट टॉयज. तो उसके लिए वो लोग ज्वाइन हुआ था. मैं आई ज्वाइंड इन होम केयर क्लीनिंग प्रोडक्ट्स. मतलब इसका पैकेज होता है होम क्राफ्ट. दैट मीन्स होम क्लीनिंग लिक्विड्स. इट मीन्स phenolics, liquid detergents, soap oil, surf, chalk pieces, candles, floor cleaning liquids. After that, I worked and finished my apprenticeship in Ahmedabad for aroma candles and aroma oils to manufacture the aroma oils with the flowers and vegetables. So after that, in 2000, I got married with my neighbor's son. So he is well trained in soft toys making and marketing. With the help of my certificate of Janashikshana Samstha. So I started my production in home to supply loose products, no branding and no stickering and no quantity. So I supplied my phenols and toilet liquids to hospitals, malls, municipalities, schools, and colleges. Now in 25 liter cans, 50 liter cans. I supplied uh, 50 liter cans in 50 liter cans to Kennedy School also in Vijayawada. So without ads and brochures, no POPs and no advertisements. So because of low budget, I trained so many batches in Mahila Pranganam, the SC Corporation and Welfare Department, Social Welfare Department. So in 2015, with the help of my husband, we stepped into the state market, Sunday markets and van sales. We concentrated and we too interested in market our product in mass areas and slum areas. With the brand, we started just active. So I decided and expand my business and release all of my other products into the market. So I moved to bank loan, but I don't have any property to mortgage in bank. So at 2 years, I tried and vexed with banks in 2017. An entrepreneur development program was conducted by MSME with SBI. So in E-Academy, there is an E-Academy, a training center for computer. So in Guntur, in that program, I displayed and explained about my all products and working skills and marketing strategy. Mr. Sudhir, MSME Director, Hyderabad, appreciated me for my hard work and dedication. And he recommended me for the SBI Bank Manager for financial assistance. After completion of EDP, a certificate was issued by MSME itself. So that the certificate helped me a lot. After 1 week, I received a call from SBI Bank Manager regarding financial assistance. I feel very happy. And we met him and he asked me for mortgage for any property. So, but I had nothing. So I informed Mr. Sudhir about mortgage. Then he explained me and bank manager about Stand Up India scheme, exclusive for SC/ST entrepreneurs without any collateral security up to 1 crore. So with this uh, information and with the guidance of bank manager and I enrolled in and I Stand Up India, Stand Up Mitra portal. There is a just now madam explained that. So Stand Up Mitra portal में मैं enroll किया था. And another 2 more banks offered me to avail this Stand Up India scheme. So applied for 15 lakhs loan to start a small scale industry with all licenses. I paid 25% of margin money and I received 12 lakhs 48,000 from loan with the tenure of 5 years. At June 23rd, 2017, I started my industry in the name of Fortune Home Care Industries and the brand is an active cleaning products. My products are born to kill germs. So state government had provided me 45% of subsidy being an SC woman entrepreneur and interest subsidy also they have provided me. After successful 2.5 years successful journey in 2019, my bank manager suggested me to go to expansion and why don't you start another industry to related products like that. So and he applauded me for my financial discipline and the repayment of loan and my track record. So being manufacturing of surf liquid detergents, laundry detergents, so I did a groundwork because since I live in Auto Nagar, which is more automobile repair technologies are going there. So being a manufacturer of this type of cleaning products and laundry products, so I had a thought to a power laundry proposal to be a fabric friendly spa for the blankets and garments and interior fabric of travels. मतलब AC private AC buses and so we are living in Auto Nagar. First floor is my company and second floor is my house. So there are so much parking place is there for private travels. You well known about Morningstar, Orange, and other private travels. So there is just so many number of buses parking place is there. So I thought to start a power laundry for that automobile travels. So then I approached and I submitted my project report and my entire strategy for that in 2019. 2019 June 23rd, I started a power laundry with all licenses, and the bankers helped me for CGTMSC scheme. A big laundry I started. So now my entire business depends on washing, pickup, washing, folding, and ironing and dropping. So of the fabric. So up to this existence of COVID-19, we very successful woman entrepreneur. We succeeded a lot. But so in this journey from COVID, laundry began to fall. Laundry business is very low. क्योंकि my entire business related to SC sleeper coaches, buses, railways, schools, colleges, and lodges also. So due to this COVID, we are a little bit struggling in that. So and in this COVID, the 2019 COVID, in my laundry, I have a lot of fabric. I mean, bed sheets, spare bed sheets, or a lot of stock in my laundry for rental basis. If emergency, some bus drivers came, वो आएगा पूछेगा मैडम इमरजेंसी के लिए आपके पास एक फ्रेश ब्लैंकेट्स चाहिए फिर after 1 week we will back it to you. So in rental basis also I will supply bed sheets, interior, very fresh and well sanitized, hygienic fabric I supply. So in that COVID time, मेरे पास जो ब्लैंकेट्स के लिए बेडशीट्स के लिए व्हाइट क्लॉथ बहुत है मेरे पास. So I supplied all that blanks, small bed sheets. रेंटल पर्पस के लिए तो थोड़ा डेलिकेट फैब्रिक लेना पड़ता है, जो ज्यादा वजन होने से वो स्पीडी वॉशिंग नहीं होता, स्पीडी वर्क नहीं होता, इसलिए वेरी मतलब कॉटन का, व्हाइट कॉटन का ब्लैंकेट्स मेरे पास है, बेडशीट्स मेरे पास है. तो वो बेडशीट से वो हमने 3 lakhs मास्क टाइलर्स 6 टाइलर्स लगा के मास्क बना दिए कोविड टाइम में. एंड I surrender my 2 autos to my district collector to COVID duty. One 2 drivers and 2 autos I surrender to him for COVID duty. And very low with low prices I am supplying to the government, my district collector and my local MLAs, phenol and cleaning products to COVID centers, isolation centers and quarantine centers. So that's the journey. Thank you so much.